आशा जी सर्वे माहे साचो सतपंथ कीधो ते सदा उत्तम जी सतपंथ माहे थी जे जीव भूला तेनु नहीं कोई ठाम हरि अनंत. O Lord, out of all creation, you established the real true path and you made it the most exalted. Those who deviate from the true path will not have any abode. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी नवखंड माहे तमेज रचिया अने रचिया ते सर्वे संसार जी काढ़ी पावल गुरमुखे लाव्या तेने बीजानी नई कोई सूद हरि अनंता. O Lord, you are the only one who established the 9 continents and you created the entire world. I took the Abeshafa, blessed by the guide, and brought it. Of this, no one else is aware. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी पावल दई गुरसु बोलज दीधा अने कीधा त्यारे जान जी गुरे लई करी रखीसर ने दीधा रखीसरे लईने पीधा हरि अनंता. O Lord, while giving the Abeshafa, the guide gave a word. It was only then that the Abeshafa was established. After making it, the Guru took and gave it to the Momins. The Momins took it and drank it. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी पावल पीने गत माहे आओ अने करो गुरनु गिनान जी गुरनु गिनान जे ओछू करी जाने ते जाशे नरक द्वार हरि अनंता. O Lord, after drinking the Abhishafa, come to the Gath and think about the Gurus, the teachers' Ginans. Whoever regards the Gurus' Ginans as insignificant will go to hell. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी नूरना पगला जाहिर दी था बैठा ते कहेख ने द्वार जी ते नर देखी जे जीव भूला ते पड़शे दो माहे Hari Ananta. O Lord, I saw the footsteps of light in manifest form. He was seated at his physical abode in Kahek. The soul that seeing this Lord, Imam, deviates will fall in hell. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी चौद भमन माहे रमी जमी बैठा बैठा ते जम्बू दीप माहे जी तेनी सूरत रसूल थी थाशे ते पीर हसन कबीर दिन जान Hari Ananta. O Lord, after performing divine play in the 14 universes, he is seated and is seated in the Indian subcontinent, our home. His image will be from the messenger. He will be like the messenger and know him as Pir Hassan Kabir Din. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी अनत मेला इयाज मलशे अने अनत ते अनत मलशे जी ते माहे मोटा पीर पैगंबर आवे पीर शमशदीन निर्वाण Hari Ananta. O Lord, the eternal gathering will take place there only, and unlimited souls will meet. Out of these, the greater Pir Paigambar will come. He is Pir Shamshdin for certain. Hari, you are eternal. Asha ji, A sahiba esi lakhaj malshe te karoda karod ji. Tambal dhadhama biriyu vajshe te vajintra ghanera. Hari Ananta. O Lord, 80 lakh great souls will meet, and they will meet crores upon crores of other souls. Big drums, small drums, and other musical instruments will be playing, creating music. And they will play lots of musical sounds. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी मानेक मोती लाल पधारत बंदशे ऊठ साथे जी इस्माइल फिरिश्तो वचे फरशे शाह बेस से जम्पू दीप माहे हरि अनंता. O Lord, beads, pearls, and rubies in substance will be tied with the camels. The angel Ismail will move in the middle. The Lord will be seated in the Indian subcontinent. Hari, you are eternal. Asha ji, Sahib Jenu Sen Chadshe, Ane Hoishe te hal hal kar ji. Vijli vara ke fir fera, Besise Shah Sardar, Hari Ananda. O Lord, the army of the Lord will rise, and it will be a noisy affair. Like the curve of lightning, it will continuously make turns, and the Lord, the leader, will be seated. Hari, you are eternal.